Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to put TradingView in dark mode. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to put TradingView in dark mode, you need to go to the settings. So here you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner, tap on it. In this menu page, you can see the settings icon at the top right, tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the settings page. Here you can see the theme option, tap on it. It is currently set to the light mode. Now to change it to the dark mode, you can select this dark option. And there you go. Now the TradingView is in dark mode. It was a very simple process to set the app to dark mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.